Hong Kong is both a city and a state, and more precisely, a special administrative area of the People's Republic of China. Hong Kong has a total of 262 islands in the South China Sea, most of which are really small. The largest island of the archipelago is the Lantau Island. Frequently, Hong Kong residents do not think of themselves as Chinese. They speak fluent English, which is the second national language here. But in 1997, the former British colony became a part of China. Prior to that, Britain has leased this land from China for 99 years, developing it and spreading its culture. Nowadays, Hong Kong is an incredible mix of all achievements of the West, with the unique appearance of the East. Architects of Hong Kong are guided by modern technical knowledge, and at the same time, they follow Feng Shui tradition. Hong Kong is one of the worldwide financial centers, and this fact determines the city's architectural appearance. Hong Kong skyscrapers are the most famous icon of the city. Hong Kong has more skyscrapers than any other city in the world. The name of the city Hong Kong is translated as Fragrant Harbor. Thus, water and plants became an equally important part of the local landscape.